Welcome back, my dear students. In our last class, we discussed about polymers. According to their physical nature, polymers are classified into three. What are they? Fibers, plastics and rubber. And we discussed more about fibers in our previous session. So today we are going to discuss about plastics. Plastics are polymers having properties different from those of fibers. These are substances that change the very face of human life. Plastic are synthetic polymers. Different types of plastic are used for manufacturing a number of products from household utensils to artificial heart valves. We can say that one of the most important contributions of chemistry to mankind is plastics. The word plastics comes from the Greek word plastikos, which means capable of being molded. No other substances have so diverse a use as that of plastics. Plastics with diverse properties have been prepared nowadays, making them more useful. Some of the uses of plastics are: plastics can be easily made into any shape. Plastics do not rust. They are light in weight, but at the same time they are strong and do not quickly wear out. Plastic which are soft and flexible or rigid or brittle can be produced using suitable chemical processes. Plastic can be given any color. They may be transparent or opaque. They are also good insulators. We know that plastics are polymers. Polymers are natural or man-made. Cellulose, silk, wool are common natural polymers. Some commonly used man-made polymers are nylon, polythene, rayon, Teflon, etc. Plastics can be broadly divided into two groups depending on how they behave when they are heated. Plastics that undergo a chemical change when heated are known as thermosetting plastics, and plastics that undergo a physical change on heating are known as thermoplastics. So plastics can be divided into two groups depending on how they behave when they are heated. Which are they? Thermosetting plastics and thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastics are plastics that undergo a chemical change when heated. And what about thermoplastics? Plastic that undergo a physical change on heating are thermoplastics. Students, can we use the plastic with the same property for all purposes? No. For different purposes, different types of plastics are used. Plumbers use PVC pipes by heating and cooling because the PVC gets softened on heating and hardened on cooling, and this process can be repeated any number of times. Here, PVC will undergo physical change. That means PVC is an example for thermoplastics. Can we use PVC for making the handles of pressure cooker and iron box? PVC cannot be used for making the handles of pressure cookers and iron box because the temperature level is very high. In the presence of high temperature, PVC will undergo physical change and it melt easily. That is the reason why we cannot use PVC for making the handles of pressure cookers and iron box. Buttons, bottle caps are some of the examples of thermosetting plastics. Once it is hardened, they cannot be remolded by heating. That is why it is said to be thermosetting plastic. So today we discussed about plastic. Plastic is the polymer which can be molded into different shapes, and also plastic can be classified into two types based on the changes that occur while heating. They are thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Study it well. See you on the next class. Thank you.